Alright, you box breakers and pack rippers, welcome back to another special episode of the Box Breakers. We are here at Joe's Card Shop, Arizona Trading Cards and Collectibles on 24th Street in Osborne. Hit him up on Facebook, give him a call, stop in and see him. We got special guest star in the studio with us today. It's Joe. How you doing, Joe?
Doing good, man. Doing good.
Yeah, we know. We got Topps Inception here today, 2019 baseball. Brand new.
Yeah, this is some good stuff, man.
What do we got? 7 cards per box.
Yep.
They're on sale here at the shop for $65. So we got 2 boxes we picked up from Joe. Box number 1.
Yes, it's 1 pack.
1 pack. Nice. Let's go ahead and open up both. Yeah, we opened this last year for 2018. I don't remember anything real spectacular, but it's a cool product, high-end product. A lot of the box breakers like this one. All right, here we go. Easy for shipping, that's right. You don't get a lot of base. Let's see what we get. Box number 1. Eddie Rosario, Minnesota Twins. Blake Snell. Can't really see it. It's really kind of hard to read the names on there.
It's Tampa Bay Devil Rays.
Blake Snell, Cedric Mullins, Danny Jansen.
There's your autograph and rookie card at that too.
Can you pronounce that?
Tucson.
I don't know. I'm sure we're going to hear about it in the comments, but maybe you're just blessed to be able to know how to pronounce people's names right out of the gate. But that's Tuki.
On-card autograph.
On-card autograph. Yeah, that's not a sticker. It's numbered 112 of 200. That's a nice hit right there.
We got a green one.
We got to get a sleeve on that right away.
That's the NL reigning MVP.
There he is, Christian Yelich.
He's a really cool guy.
And Francisco Arcia. Rookie card? No.
Yeah.
Nice. So are you guaranteed an autograph per box?
An autograph or autograph memorabilia per box.
Okay. All right. Box number 2. We got something fat in here.
I was about to say that pack was a lot thicker. So maybe you want to put the 2 on the back to the front.
To the front?
Yeah. No. The 2 on the back here.
Yeah.
Put those to the front. So that way your hit is the last one.
Okay. Mashurio Tanaka. Numbered 53 of 150. Pretty nice.
Andrew Benintendi.
There he is. Edwin Diaz. Cole Stewart, rookie card.
Edwin Encarnacion.
Kevin Newman, and then our hit. Congratulations.
Jesus Aguilar. Oh, look at that.
Nice one.
That's a nice patch.
Yeah, real nice patch. Nice.
It's a sticker auto, but it's still a great patch.
Yeah. That's cool. Oh man. Joe, pick one more box.
I guess this one.
All right, 3 boxes.
What I want to see
Box number 3.
This is why the box breakers like it, because there's not many cards. You have to ship that match and you get good hits.
when you want something or you need something.
That's like another fat one, huh?
Yeah, let's do the same thing.
I know, yeah.
Brad Keller, rookie card.
It's the green one.
Taylor Ward, rookie card, number 28 of 150.
Purple one.
Nice. Kyle Tucker.
Another rookie. What is that, 3 rookies in a row?
Matt Carpenter. Look how messed up the corner is. Looks like somebody was gnawing on it.
Straight out of the pack, too. And that box wasn't even damaged.
What the heck, man? Chris Bryant. Oh, you picked Otani.
Otani?
There you go. Nice one. And our hit,
Brandon Lowe.
number 32 of 75. Nice pick. Nice pick, Joe.
Man, can you imagine if you got 35 and 75? It would have been his jersey number.
Yep.
This guy's a rookie, too.
Wow. Nice one. All right, that does it here. Well, let's go back through. We'll show off the 3 hits. Where'd it go? Right there. All right, here was our first hit. Tosante, rookie card number 112 of 200. Jesus Aguilera, number 145 and 199. And Brandon Lowe, number 32 of 75. Nice. So now we got to pay Joe for our extra box. But anyway, thanks for checking us out here on the Box Breakers. Make sure you hit the like, subscribe, notification bell. We'll see you next time here on the Box Breakers. We're out.